Welcome to the tutorial on Sankalan 2.0. The mechanism of Sankalan 2.0 consists of a mobile application and a QGIS plugin with two parts. First, data to mobile, and second, data from mobile. This tutorial will guide you through the application's features and functionalities to streamline urban planning and master plan preparation. Let's get started. Tutorial 1. Installation of the QGIS plugin. To install the Sankalan 2.0 plugin in QGIS, follow these simple steps. Open QGIS, double-click the QGIS icon or search for it in the Start menu of your Windows screen. Load a new project and save it before proceeding. To access plugin, click on Plugins in the top menu and select Manage and Install Plugins. Go to the All Plugins tab in the Plugin Manager and search for Sankalan 2. Look for Sankalan 2 published by IIRS with plugin ID 3693. Click on it, then click the Install Plugin button. The plugin will download and install automatically. Once installed, close the plugin manager and return to QGIS. Now we are ready to move ahead to use the first part of the QGIS plugin. Thank you.